Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Advanced Java Programming. Previously, we have discussed the JDBC driver type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4 driver. Here in this video lecture, we will discuss the uh, thin as well as thick driver of JDBC. So, question related to this driver. There are two types of driver available, thin driver and thick driver. So what do you mean by thin driver? You can connect a database without a client installation on your machine. Example, type 4 driver and thick driver. The thick driver, that is the client, would need the client installation. So what is the example of thick driver? Type 1 and type 2 both are thick driver. So here the question related to the GTU exam. Explain thick and thin driver as well as comment on selection of driver, as well as write a snippet code for each of the type of JDBC connection. So we already discussed the thick and thin driver. Type 1 and type 2 are thick driver, while type 3 and type 4 are thin driver. While we are installing the thin driver, we are working with the thin driver, the client, which means you can connect to database without the client installation on your machine. Again I repeat, while we are using the thin driver type 4 driver, so we cannot need installation database on client machine, or while we are using the thick driver, so the client would need the installation. So type 1 and type 2 both are thick driver. If you accessing one type of database such as MySQL, Oracle, Sybase or IBM, the preferred data type is type 4. So which one is the best data type? Type 4 is best data type. And if your Java application is accessing the multiple access type of database at the same time, type 3 is a preferred driver. We can use the type 3 driver. Type 1 driver is not considered as deployment level driver and is typically used for the development and testing purpose only. And type 2 driver are useful in situation where a type 3 or type 4 driver is not available. So for your database you can use type 2 driver. And let me discuss with snippet code. So this type of a question also covered in GTU exam, like write a code snippet for each of the type of JDBC connection. First of all, we require the MySQL. So first one is for the MySQL connection. In the MySQL, we required this method. The method name is class.forName in the bracket com.mysql.jdbc driver, and we required one object that is called connection object. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection, and in the bracket we required the path where the MySQL or JDBC driver is stored. So in double quotation we require JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost, then colon port number slash database name. We required user ID and password. So UID comma double quotation password and bracket over semicolon. So this is the snippet code while we are using the SQL connection driver by using MySQL. So here com.mysql is used. Instead of you can use Oracle, instead of MySQL you can use the Oracle driver. So same thing, class.forName method is used. In the bracket we required the oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver, and again we require the connection object. So connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection jdbc oracle jdbc colon oracle. Here the thin driver is used, so colon thin at host name colon port number colon database name. And while we are using the Oracle, so default username is root and password is covered. So root and password is covered here also. Then if we are using the DB2 type, IBM covered the database 2 connection. So DB2, so we require the class.forename com.ibm.db2.jdbc.net db2 driver. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. In the bracket we require JDBC DB2 host name, port number slash database name. So this is the connection for DB2 driver. Let me check with comparison. So comparison between JDBC driver type. First one is type 1 driver, type 2 driver, type 3 and type 4 driver. So what is the name of type 1 driver? Type 1 driver is nothing but JDBC ODBC bridge. Java database connectivity, open database connectivity, bridge. Here bridge will created. Type in type 2 driver, it is a native code. We require the vendor. So native code driver JNI. And type 3 driver name is Java protocol or middleware. We require the middleware server while we are using the type 3 driver. And type 4 driver is database protocol or pure Java driver. This one is a pure Java driver. We all familiar in the type 1 vendor specific, if type 1 is vendor specific or not. So it is not a vendor specific. Type 3 is not also vendor specific. Type 2 is vendor specific, yes, and type 4 also vendor specific. We can say that portable. So type 1 is not portable, type 2 also not portable. Only type 3 is portable and type 4 is portable driver. Then pure Java driver. Pure Java means we not required any vendor. So in type 1 and type 2 we require the vendor. So it is not called the pure Java driver. But type 3 and type 4 is directly connected with database. So we can say that pure Java driver type 3 and type 4 both are directly connected to the database. Java application are directly connected with database. So we can say that type 3 and type 4 both are pure Java driver. Working means if we are connecting with JDBC ODBC bridge, so JDBC OD call to ODBC call and ODBC to native call. This type of a connection is required while we are using the type 1 driver. While we are using the type 2 driver, we require JDBC call to native specific call. And while we are using the type 3 driver, so JDBC call to middleware specific. Here the name suggests middleware. We required one middleware server. So it is the specific to the middleware and native call. And last type 4 driver, we require JDBC call to directly connected with database. So this call is connect to the DB. DB is nothing but database. DB specific call. Here intermediate ODBC is required. Here native specific call is required. Here middleware server is required, but this one is not required any intermediate server or vendor. So it is directly connected to the database. So it is called pure Java. Multiple DB, it support or not? Yes. Only ODBC supported database. Here no any database is supported, so we can write no. Type 3 driver, it cover the database vendor specific DB driver. We require the middleware server, so DB driver should be in middleware. Here also not required any database. So type 2 and type 3 not required any database. Again, what is the example of type 1 driver? While we are using the type 1 driver, so MS Access is one of the best example of type 1 driver. Type 2 driver is Oracle OCI driver. Type 3 driver is IDA server and type 4 driver is MySQL. We will discuss what is the connection of MySQL by using the JDBC driver in next video lecture. In this session, let me discuss some more example. The execution speed, So this is the comparison between type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. This next portion is execution speed. So type 1 driver is slowest in compare all other 3 driver. Type 2 driver is fastest in compare to type 1 driver. Type 3 is slower compared to the type 2, as well as type 4 is fastest. We can say that type 4 driver is faster from all other driver. Uh, this is the comparison already covered. What is the thick driver and thin driver? So here type 1 and type 2 both are thick driver, while type 3 and type 4 are thin driver. So what do you mean by thin driver? The thin driver, the, the thin client driver, which means you can connect to database without the client installation on your machine. Then thick driver. So thick client would need the client installation on machine. So type 1 and type 2 both are thick driver. So in this survey, which driver should be used if you are accessing one type of a database such as MySQL, Oracle, Sybase or IBM? So best driver is type 4 driver. We already discussed the comparison between the drivers. So type 4 driver is useful while we are using this type of a database like MySQL, Oracle, Sybase or IBM. And if you are using, if your application, Java application is accessing multiple type of database, at that time type 3 is preferred driver, because type 3 cover the middleware server. Type 2 driver are useful in situation where type 3 or type 4 driver is not available yet for your database. The type 1 driver is not considered as development level driver and is typically used for the development and testing purpose only. While we are using the simple application like desktop application or simple program, so type 1 driver is we can preferred. Type 2 driver is not all used. Type 1 and type 2 both are not used for web application. While we are using the type 3 and type 4 is best or suggested, type 4 is best for the web application or web services. And let me discuss one more difference like JDBC with different RDBMS. Here RDBMS is Relational Database Management System, JDBC driver name and URL format is used. So relational database is MySQL, so you can use the driver name like com.mysql.jdbc driver. And what is the URL? JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash hostname slash database name. If you are using the Oracle, so driver name is oracle.jdbc driver.oracle driver and JDBC colon Oracle. Here the thin driver is used. So thin at host name colon port number colon database name. And if you are using the DB2, so com.ibm, DB2 is powered by IBM. So com.ibm.db2.jdbc.net db2 driver is used. And here the URL format like jdbc colon db2 host name port number slash database name. Here Sybase, if you are using the Sybase, so driver type is com.sybase.jdbc.sybase driver and URL format is jdbc colon sybase colon tds host and port. If you are using the SQLite, so org.sql sqlite.jdbc is your JDBC driver name and URL format is used jdbc colon sqlite colon here the path where your database is stored, so c colon sqlite slash db slash database name. SQL server, so if you are using the SQL server database, so relational database SQL server, you can use the JDBC driver name com.microsoft.sqlserver.jdbc.sql server driver. URL format is used JDBC colon Microsoft SQL Server powered by Microsoft is provided the driver from Microsoft. So we require the JDBC colon Microsoft colon SQL Server double slash host name. Here the port number is used 1433 and database name. Here some important link related to your drivers. So if you are study about details in type 1 driver, type 2 driver, type 3 or type 4 driver, so simply click on this link. This link also available in your classroom. Let me check the link. Here the first link for type 1 driver. Let me check the link. This is the question related to GTU, JDBC. So in second unit, the question of GTU exam, what is JDBC? List out all various type of JDBC driver and explain thick as well as thin driver as well as code of JDBC. 7 marks question. What is JDBC? Explain type of JDBC driver. Write the code for snippet. This type of question asked in winter as well as summer 2016. Explain JDBC driver types in detail. 7 marks question. List the different type of JDBC driver. Compare the various type of driver with advantage and disadvantage. List the different type of JDBC driver and explain any two types also covered in winter 2018. And last exam, list the type of the driver using JDBC, explain thin driver. This type of question of 3 marks asked in GTU exam. So thank you for attending this session. We will discuss the JDBC component in next video lecture.